Oh, you finished it? Oh, wow. He's hungry. No, good dog. He eats a lot like me. He's playing with it. They're beautiful birds. They can fly. But they're lazy to fly. They can run. That's what they're called roadrunner. He was on my table for about 5 minutes without movements while I'm drinking coffee. I have to buy a barbecue. Look at that, he ate the whole 3 pieces. Oh God. Look at that. Uh-oh. Something spooked him, whatever. They're a really beautiful bird. They can swallow a small snake or a small lizard. You know, I used to have a roadrunner that stays in our backyard. I feed her like sardines. Loves it. He's coming into my table now. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm friendly. Oh my God, he swallowed the whole chips. There's one more there on your back. Go to the... Come on. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking. There you go. He's gonna eat it. He's just taking his time. He's gonna eat the whole thing. I gave him 4 pieces. Oh my. Oh my, it's gone. Swallowed it. They like crickets. Want some more? Here. If it's good for human beings, it's good for the birds. Really. As long as you don't feed them sugar. Sugar is good. It's not good for birds. Even animals, they don't do well with sugar or chocolate. I mean, for dogs. Uh-oh. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. He's thinking. He's waiting if I'm gonna throw him another one. That's enough. I'm hungry. There you go. It's going away. I don't think the Gold Coast is the best place for to hunt critters. What? There you go. See, they can jump. Or they can fly. But they're lazy birds. They don't fly. They run. That's why they're called roadrunner. So anyway, he's very, very friendly. He does not get spooked easily. All right.